Okay, so today we're going to learn how to use equation editor through the Microsoft Word file. So here is the icon that we can see over here. We have file, home, insert, design, layout, references, mailing, review, and view. Okay, so particularly equation editor is used in order to write our mathematical equation or any equation, or in economics we use to write equation in terms of our model specifications and also the econometric method. So in order to use the equation editor, we go to insert and then we go to equation. So it will give you a box for you to type the equation. Okay, so for example, your model is for example, your model is growth model. So Y is a growth model. So you may have, so you have here, you choose the script. Okay, you choose this and then you type your model Y, and then this is a time series model, for example, equal, and then again you may have this. So you may have a constant over here, and then you choose your symbol from here. You can select, okay, all the symbols is here, all the symbols are here. So for example, the usually we use alpha. Okay, alpha 0 will be the constant, and then plus again, or you can simply now copy this alpha 0, copy and then paste, and then change the alpha 0 to alpha 1. Okay, and alpha 1, then from the alpha 1 you make a move one step on your right, and then you write your variable. For example, your growth Y is the growth model is determined by the human capital. So your human capital is SC, and then space plus again paste the alpha, and then change the number of alpha to alpha 2, and then space, and then move one step on your right, and then type, for example, investment is INV, investment, and then space plus, and then paste your third coefficients or parameter, and then name it as a 3, and then move one step on your right, and then you may say that the third variables involved in your model is populations, and then space plus, and then you may have your arithms. Okay, you may have your arithms over here, and then another highlight, and then play your script. Okay, another way, this is T. Or you want to use mu, okay, you can change also if you want to use mu. Okay, so then you click outside of the box. So here you go, your model. Okay, so go to home and then to settings here. Okay, your equation, then equation 1, for example. Okay, so this is how we use equation editor in order to write our equation. And for another example is that when we want to use the summation sign. Okay, the summation sign. Okay, this equation editor is already provided us with a lot of template. Okay, we just choose and we can write, okay, our equation. Okay, here the summations. Okay, for example, okay, you can write your I, your J, and then what is your over here, maybe the, so this also we can use. And for example, Y, so everything can be done by using the equation editor. Again, okay, click at the space that you want to write your equation and then go to insert, click equation, click equation. Okay, so then you will start to write your equation. HP equal to HP, you highlight and then you put subscript. You can put your, if you are panel analysis, IT, and then move is equal to, for example, load. Okay, first you have to put your constant, the constant is alpha, and then plus, and then another coefficient. Your coefficient will start with 1, and then load, for example. Okay, and next, the second equation is interest rate. Okay, inter, for example, short form. So this is how, and then for example, these are the two variables that determines your housing price, and then you go and have the mu. Okay, for example, I choose the mu to represent your, and click inside the template and then choose the variable. Okay, so and then done. Here is your model. Okay, the real estate price is determined by loan and interest rate, and of course you have your constant, you have your, here you need to IT, and over here you need to have IT as well. So no worries, even though you have a type your equation, so you can modify it by highlighting the variables and then go back to your equation, insert equation, and then choose the right template. Okay, so they will give you back your IT. Okay, then highlight your loan as well, and then go back to superscript and choose the right template, and then you may have your IT. So you can change. Okay, and then here you go, your model. So this is how we write the equation throughout our economic analysis. Okay, we don't use a picture, we don't write like this hash, we don't write manually through the word. Okay, we use equation editor, so you may have a better clear equations. Okay, you have all those templates, okay, that you may use. Okay, so you can choose the symbols as well, and also all the templates. Okay, make your life easy. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much.